Woke up late in a borrowed town, parking tickets raining down. Mayor says it's under control, while something's pecking at my soul. They said stay calm, they said behave, then handed bread or something deranged. Municipal birds blocking the road, eyes like they know what we don't. Municipal birds, no alarm, just standing still while it all goes wrong. While it all goes wrong. News says incident unclear, sirens laughing in my ear, shoelaces tied to a fence. Nothing here makes sense. Don't run, they hate that. Don't look, they hate that too. Just wave like you were told to. Municipal birds.